Today on Happiest Camper, we help you save money with this DIY reusable Swiffer pad sewing project. This washable Swiffer pad is such an easy sewing project and will save you money from not having to buy new pads all the time. While these could be made from other fabrics, such as flannel, we went with a white terry cloth fabric. I love the way terry cloth wipes things up, and as I said before, with these being white, they can be bleached. Let's get started. Start by cutting the fabric to size. Starting on the 11-inch sides, fold the edge over by 1/4 inch. Then fold that fold over again by 1/4 inch and clip or pin in place. Do the same to the other 11-inch side. Starting about 1/4 inch down, sew down the side using a zigzag stitch. Sew down the side right where the folded fabric meets the rest of the fabric. Do a back stitch at the start and finish and stop about 1/4 inch from the end. Do the same on the other 11-inch side. We are about halfway through this super useful project. If you are enjoying it, be sure to like this video. Now we need to pin the 12-inch side. This is folded just the same with a 1/4 inch fold, then fold 1/4 inch again. Pin both sides. To sew the last two sides, it is much the same as the first. However, this time we will sew all the way to the edges. You may need to lift the foot to sew the end edges, as they can be a little thick and hard to go over. Simply repeat the steps to make more. I like to have 4 to 5, so that way I am ready for spills even if I have a few pads in the wash. This is such a great sewing project for saving you money. If you liked this project, make sure to check out our other sewing projects. At Happiest Camper, we love bringing you sewing projects that are both fun and practical. If you enjoyed this video, hit the bell to get notified about all our new sewing tutorials, and be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest projects. We'd love to hear from you about what things you want to see on the channel. Let us know what you think about this project and drop us a comment below.